Nih,
Apa surprise? Tambah kamu itu lah, singkang am tas ni.
Kublai yepi, mangau Melvin Mukim, naka film Haling Kabneng. Nakumen ban pentip shepi, ba nginwan rab yang sashi sini ka film ha ususu tham auditorium naruga kapra terik adu laipuai terik ubenai jemang. Kipor kilong kanar baje mensngi, ar baje mensngi, san baje janmiet, bat hanyo baje demiet. Kurmen banyak kendu biang yepi sashi sin.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka kot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka Jingïadei. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
State Working President ke NPP, ubadairu, Myntri Sarkar Jela, Marcos and Sangma, ulat herkelai UMDC ke BGP, Bernard and Marang, ubala Kynnoh Myntri Rangbah ka Jela, Konrad ke Sangma, udan ka Jingïadei, pad UMLA barem ka Fulbari, Ismatur Muminin, ubalala Jamino. Marcos ulaong, baka Kynnoh kadai, kabamdan nongrem ay ruem, namar ka Jingïadei jamin jong kadai nakaying bisyar, nong Myntri Rangbah uba ay jamin yu. Ulaong, baki Kynnoh agidei, tangki buit banyalam bakala, yakipait ba.
So bail was given by whom? Is it Honorable Chief Minister who has given the bail? No, it is not the Honorable Chief Minister. The bail was given from the court. So why don't he ask the court there saying he Chief Minister was favoring or something? It's totally baseless. These are totally unacceptable statements. They're giving this just to mislead the people. You know, practically in our democracy, executive, judiciary are totally separate identities or entities, totally. Constitutionally, judiciaries don't listen to the executives. Even we have lots of cases pending in courts, which we are fighting, but Bernard Marag is accusing Honorable Chief Minister, favoring him, because he got a bail. No, that is totally unacceptable, totally misleading. It's judiciary or no honorable judiciary who has decided to give a bail based on what we don't know. So therefore, it's totally baseless allegations.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.